Hello everyone, AJ here, and today we review 5 of my favorite features within the Strong workout app. Let's get into it. Strong allows for you to set different rest timers for work and warm-up sets for every individual exercise. That way you can rest less during your warm-up sets and longer when you are actually getting into work. These rest times are also set for the exercise and not for the specific routine. Meaning if you ever create a new routine with the same exercise, the routine will automatically apply the rest times associated with that exercise, saving you a step. You can set up Strong to pull in your body weight and body fat percentages automatically from Apple Health. That way you only need to log these in one place, instead of logging them multiple times within multiple apps. If you have a scale connected to your Wi-Fi, you can automate this process so that once you step off the scale, those details are synced to your Apple Health and then to your Strong account. Strong takes the lifter's body weight into account when calculating the overall volume logged within your workout. This is especially useful when performing exercises such as dips or pull-ups using only your body weight. In addition to this, when performing assisted exercises such as a band-assisted pull-up, the app will deduct the weight of the band from your body weight so that the overall work volume is calculated accurately. For this to work, your body weight must be logged within the app either manually or automatically as indicated in the previous favorite feature. Now some may not like this feature, however, I actually like the fact that all of my warm-up sets do not count towards my overall workout volume, sets performed, or towards any PRs in my chart data within Strong. This way, only the work counts in those metrics, and you know that every set and pound logged counts towards your progress. Another integration I like about Strong is how I can pull my nutrition details from my Apple Health into useful widgets within the Strong dashboard. For this to work, you need to log your nutrition using an app such as Lose It or MyFitnessPal, and then sync that data to your Apple Health. In turn, Strong can pull in this data from your Apple Health so that you are able to set nutrition goals and monitor them alongside your workout data.